Now let's start today's episode. It's bit sad to see a scrapping of a motor car off a diesel train. This level crossing is very close to the tunnel and bridge. If you want to feature your video on this channel, submit it to link given in description. Also, thanks button is activated if you like the video. Union Pacific train gets covered in a white powder after hitting truck stuck on a rail tracks. This railway line in Sri Lanka passes near to sea. It's really amazing to watch the view from the train. Amazing tiny bridge made for the garden railway. A Leo liner tram passing through the city center of Halberstadt, Germany. Steam locomotive chugging on snowy railroad. Please like, share video and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon. All the sources will be linked in the description. Thanks for watching and we will meet next week.